asleep after we ate lunch. Then we actually requested some food, and you might know this one. It's everyone's favorite. Jubilee! Thank you so much to the people who sent this to us. They are very, very kind.
They didn't even have to do it. It's just extra work, but
This is actually not allowed.
yeah, not officially allowed.
Yeah.
It's only not allowed by the hotel.
2 pieces burger steak. Woo! Palabok. Palabok nga wala siya kahuwat. Iyang gabihan. Wow, C3 Jollibee spaghetti with chicken. Joy.
Peach mango pie. Lalo, di ko huwat na ako, oy. Mag-itbi ako, anak.
Thank you, Lord.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
No Jollibee for 1 year.
Here's our dinner.
Yummy? You miss it? Woo! Show me your happy face.
Another one. Another one.
Parang po ilis-ilis, oy.
So we woke up at 11:30 and our lunch arrived at 12, so we ate it together, breakfast and lunch.
Say hi to the vlog!
Sa makaron.
Ay, so, ano mo? Tanaman ka!
Kusil!
Alright, good morning guys. It's our 4th day in quarantine. We haven't been able to vlog in the past 3 days because we were so tired, and the whole time we were just sleeping, eating, and pooping, and then repeat. Mora na siya mong gipang buhat dinhi. It might be our last meal here because we already got our negative results. Yay! That will be our last breakfast na guys, because yesterday a lot of our friends, actually all of our friends already got their results except for 5 of us. So some of them didn't even get to shower or finish their lunch. They were rushed to the airport and then they had to wait for a long time, so it probably wasn't a good idea to sleep so late last night. We knew our results would come out today. I only had like 4 hours of sleep. It's a very long line at the airport now, but we'll see. We'll show you guys. So after breakfast, we're probably gonna shower and pack everything up. We actually packed almost everything yesterday, but again na po today, as in finalize everything. Yeah, see you guys in a bit. Alright, it's almost 11 in the morning guys, and we're still waiting for OWWA to call us. And ready na mi mo adto sa airport. Naabot na among food. It arrived quite early today, so I think they will really come during lunchtime. Hi guys, alright, update. We are still at the hotel. It's already 4:23 in the afternoon and still wala pa may giingnan sa taga-OWWA what time we're gonna go. But our friends who were checked in at the 12th floor, tuan na sila sa bus, and they're doing it floor by floor daw. So we are on the 15th floor, so probably in a couple of minutes anhin na sila diri, and it's very rushed guys. Like when they tell you to come, you have to come right away. Like we have all our things ready na. There. And We were sleeping and our friends called us and told us na naana daw sila sa bus. So bro nakurat, oh my gosh, how come nobody knocked on our door? And also just an update, we're very confused now where we're gonna go. We actually have two options. We can go to Cebu and stay in our house in Cordova, or we can go to Surigao and stay with my mom. We're still unsure about the procedures and everything, so we're waiting for an update from my mom, but hopefully everything will be set before we go to the airport. So yeah, we'll update you guys soon.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, finally naabot na dyan ang taga OWWA and we're going. Alright guys, we're ready to go. Masks on! Alright guys, we're here at the airport. Smooth lang, they sewed lang me, then they let us through the security check for our bags. There's barely anybody here on this side, but on that side there's a lot of people. So we're here on this line guys that says Cebu, Tagbilaran, and Tacloban. The airplane might stop on those three places. We were asked to fill out these forms. I think we're gonna check in our bags now. By the way, it's already 7:30 in the evening, guys. Alright guys, so that line wasn't actually for check-in. It's just to get our quarantine certificate. This is our graduation diploma. Graduate namin. This is to certify that blah 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 completed the mandatory quarantine process and COVID-19 free. They advised us to just stand by. We're just gonna wait here and then we might ask for some food because we're so hungry. I'm so hungry. But yeah, so far it's the waiting game again. Tada! There's an OWWA desk there guys where you can get your food, and they gave us this water also. You just write your name and your signature and that's it. Nagpaba ako na nangayo pa ko one more para sa akong baby.
May pagkain po kayo doon, huwag kayong mag-alala sir. Sagot pa rin ng OWWA sir, wala yung problema sir ha.
Okay guys, it is now 11:30 in the evening. It's June 15. So okay, story time.
This is what happened, guys. We got our results in the morning. It was negative. We're negative of COVID. And so we went to the airport. So actually, wait, before that. When the results came out, it was only almost 8 in the morning. And then we waited all day for OWWA to pick us up. So I think they started picking everyone up around noontime. We were probably the last ones to leave because we were staying at the 15th floor. And they did it floor by floor by floor. So we were staying at a really high floor. So we were able to leave the hotel last. And so we reached the airport last as well. We listed our names there, but we weren't able to make the cut. The flights were full. There were probably about 10 of us left behind, and we had to wait for a couple of hours there. We were just waiting for the advice of OWWA, what we have to do. Long story short, nabiyan mi sa plane. Instead of letting us sleep at the airport, in fairness to them, they booked us at another hotel just near the airport. We're staying at the Heritage Hotel in Pasay. So it's a really beautiful... Wait, among food. It's a really beautiful hotel, guys. So this is one of the places where they put most of the OFWs in. So this is one of their quarantine facilities here in Manila. So it's totally fine with us, guys. We don't mind it. We're not in a hurry. We don't have anything to do. But the thing is, we have a lot of things. Like, we keep mentioning it, guys, because I feel so bad for Kenan having to, like, carry everything up and down, up and down, up and down. And so we had to bring all 80 kilos of our things to the hotel again, and then we have to bring it back again to the airport tomorrow. So that's just the only thing that really sucks about this trip. But we're really fine, guys. Everything is provided for, the accommodation, food, everything is free, and even the transportation to and from the airport. So it's totally fine with us. But luwi lang jud, guys, again. Oh, kaluwi sa baby. They allowed us to stay together in one room, but we have separate beds. For tomorrow, so the plan is, they've instructed us to be ready before lunch. They will just send a bus to pick us up here and to take us to the airport. So that's the plan. And they will prioritize us. So usually, the OFWs arrive at around 2 o'clock at the airport. And the flight is around 8 in the evening or 8:30 in the evening. So imagine, guys, we got to the airport at around 8. So the flights are already full. For tomorrow, it doesn't matter what time we arrive at the airport. They will prioritize us. At least that's what they said. So, well, let's see. They said they will provide breakfast, lunch, and dinner again tomorrow. So we're okay, guys. This is one of the possibilities, guys. It could happen to you as well. So yeah, just be ready for it. Just extend your patience, guys. It's a very long process. And by the way, guys, we've also finally decided to just go to Cebu. It's impossible to go to my mom in Surigao right now because they're not accepting OFWs or anybody going through Manila or Davao. And so they won't let us in. There's also no more space in their quarantine facilities. If my mom picks us up, then she has to be in quarantine with us for 14 days. So we don't want to go there and, just mess up with her schedule and everything. So we're just going to Cebu, and I think we have to be in quarantine again in Cebu for a couple of days, but we're gonna update you guys tomorrow. For now, that's it. We're gonna go to sleep because we're so tired. I only had 4 hours of sleep last night. So yeah, story time's over, guys.